Welcome back to another video. So in this short video we will discuss how to copy data to another worksheet with advanced filter in Excel. So let's begin. First, activate the worksheet where you want to copy the filtered result. Then click data and click on advanced. In the advanced filter dialog box, select this option, copy to another location. Now in the list range, click on this button to select the range which you want to filter in another sheet. In the criteria range, click on this button and select the criteria from another sheet. In the copy to section, click on this button to select a cell where you want to display the output and click OK. Now you can see all the filtered data from the criteria has been displayed in this sheet from the original sheet. So this is the quick method to filter data by using advanced filter feature. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.